Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find recently added contacts on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, be sure to put likes, write comments. And let's get started. So, if you have such a situation that not so long ago you added some contact, but unfortunately, you do not remember how you unsubscribed this person, but you need to find him. That's not a problem. There is one easy way how you can find this contact. Now to do that, we're going to need the Shortcuts app. This is what it looks like. And it's on all iPhones by default. If you don't have it, like I do on my desktop, then you can simply find it by swiping down on the screen. And just type the name of the app into the search box. As you can see, it appears at the top of our screen. We tap on it. After we open the Shortcuts app, the top right corner we need to click on the plus sign. Then at the bottom we see a search box. We tap into it and type in the word contact. And here we need to select Find Contacts. That's great. Next. Here next to sort by. We need to click on None and select by date created. And then next to order. We don't select oldest first, but the most recent contacts that we've added. Click on latest first. And then the last step we turn on limit. That's what it should look like. And as you can see, we have a limit on the number of contacts. I have 5. You can raise them or you can lower them. I will leave, let's say, 3 contacts. And so on. Again, we click on the search box and type in the word result. Select Show Result. Great. And now we click on that sign in the bottom right corner. That's it. As you can see, we have 3 contacts here that I've added recently. Unfortunately, this app will not show us the numbers of these people. It will only show us how these people are subscribed to us. And in order to find them in the phone book, we simply open the phone book. In the search box, we enter the name of the person we found. And then you can call or write to this person. This is a simple way to find recently added contacts on your iPhone device. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.